OFM Sport.
Good morning to everybody. Special word of welcome to this media statement. Also, thank you to the members of media joining us today. And then also special word of welcome to the MEC of Sport, Beauty Sefuba. Then the representative from Mangaung Metro Municipality, Dr. Tabang Tinda, on behalf of the Executive Mayor, Mr. Gregory Ntatise, and then also Mr. Leklono Maduna from the Free State Sport Confederation. Thank you for all your attendance and thank you for all delegates present this morning. It is indeed an honor and privilege to have you present today, and thank you for sharing your valuable time with us. It's much appreciated. I'm going to proceed with the media statement. It's for immediate release. The Toyota Stadium elevated to Class B. It's also recognized as Tier 2. And just to give you indication what is a Tier 2 stadium, then we will be privileged to host test matches like Argentina, Scotland, Wales, Italy, Japan, the Barbarians, and also the World 15 Invitational team. The Free State Cheetahs and the Free State Rugby Union are proud to confirm that the Toyota Stadium has been officially recognized as a Class B stadium in the rugby landscape of South Africa. This milestone marks a significant step forward not only for rugby in the Free State, but for Bloemfontein and the greater Central South African region as a whole. Class B test status means that the Toyota Stadium now meets the required national standards to host quality Springbok test matches. These standards relate to infrastructures, cosmetic update, facilities, media requirements, hospitality areas, and the overall spectator experience. Importantly, it positions Bloemfontein once again as a viable host city for quality international rugby events. It affirms that the stadium is equipped to accommodate international teams and the presentation of test matches of a high standard and professional level. The upgrade brings significant economic advantages. The first one is the increased tourism and visitor spend. Future international fixtures will attract thousands of visiting supporters, media, and team delegations. This drives occupancy in hotels, boosts restaurant trade, supports local transport providers, and stimulates retail activity. The second one, will also add to job creation and event-related opportunities. Major test events create work opportunities across hospitality, security, event management, and technical service. And then also the third one and last one is regional exposure. Global broadcast coverage places Bloemfontein in the Free State in front of international audiences, strengthening the region's brand and tourism appeal. For a centrally located city like Bloemfontein, major events have a ripple effect, benefiting not only the metro but surrounding towns and a broader provincial economy as well. For the Free State Rugby Union and the Free State Cheetahs, the Class B Stadium recognition reinforces the province's historic contribution to South African rugby. It ensures that supporters in Central South Africa continue to experience international sport events in their own backyard. Hosting test matches also inspires young players across the province, providing teams with the opportunity to witness world-class rugby on home soil. This plays a vital role in the development pathways and in sustaining rugby's strong culture in this region. This achievement is a result of strong collaboration between the Free State Rugby Union, the Free State Cheetahs, the Mangaung local municipality, the Free State Sport Confederation, and the South African Rugby Union. Through coordinated upgrades, facility improvements, and compliance enhancements, the stadium has been restored to a standard benefiting its proud history. The elevation to the Tier test status sends a powerful message. Bloemfontein is and remains a key rugby destination in South Africa and also in the world. We look forward to welcoming international teams and support back to the Toyota Stadium, where world-class sport meets the passion of the Free State heartland and all its people. I thank you.
There will now be opportunity for question and answers.
From the media, Judith Faber.
Rory, I may start with you. This is certainly welcome news for Free State, but how important was it for Free State Rugby Union and Cheetahs to get the right structures in place so that we can see the results being translated onto the field, and in doing that inspire youngsters to participate, not just rugby but sport in general in the region?
Yeah, having the right structures in place is important, because what you want to do is you want to make sure that the platform and the coaches are given the best opportunity to succeed. And those structures provide a foundation for the team to be able to go forward and have high performance. I think the upgrading of the stadium is fantastic news for us here in Bloemfontein. As a city, it's something that we've been fighting for the last year. We've had meetings, we've gone back and forth, and maybe I can take this opportunity just to be able to, because we're talking about structures now, just to be able to thank the MEC and her department. They were super helpful. You know, it was almost a year ago that we met with the MEC after the stadium announcements came out, and we heard that we were a tier 3 stadium or a category C stadium, and the support we've had from the MEC's office and her persistence, the support we've had from the Free State Sports Confederation as well as the city. We worked really hard together to be able to get our stadium back to a category B stadium, and I believe, you know, having future test matches here in the Free State is going to be is going to inspire our younger players to be able to come to the system. You know, we've got such a fantastic pipeline of talent in this region, with our school structures, with our varsity cup structures, and I think you know, having test matches being played out of the stadium is going to inspire more youngsters to continue to play rugby and continue to have that desire to become a Cheetah rugby player.
If I could just go to you, you touched on the importance of Free State being a sport hub. South Africa, centrally located, it's almost same distance anywhere to any other city in the country, and this is a fantastic opportunity for Free State Rugby to almost lay that foundation to bring that status to the city.
I fully agree, Morgan, and I want to add on what a CEO said. I think we're in a privileged position. We are based in the central South Africa, first of all. Secondly, we've got high-skilled and very professional schools. I think we sit with one of the best, if not the best, rugby school in the world. We've got our tertiary institutions also supports us a lot. And then very importantly, we've got very passionate and loyal supporters in the Free State. And certain shortcomings was identified to us by SARU. We took responsibility for it, and we hope to take this around and turn it around, and hope to have tests in the future.
And just the MSC, the sport tourism aspect is so important for the economy of the Free State. We've seen what the soccer does when Orlando Pirates come play here. All the big teams have sold out stadiums, and we need to really embrace this and try and tell the world this is the sport destination for every big event. We're getting the Cricket World Cup here next year. We saw what it looked like on Sunday with supporting our women, how fantastic that was. So we need to build on this.
Good morning and thank you. Indeed, you are correct. As the leadership, whether rugby union or government, we are the hope for the people. They look upon us. So if we had just sat and allow this status, would have failed the people. So we are excited that we are here now. We are upgraded again, and we cannot tire of saying that bringing sports here achieves that social cohesion. Let the people come together, be entertained, exist with each other side by side, and in the process also achieve that economic benefit that comes with it. We have lots of men and women that Free State has produced, and we want to make sure that we support all the sporting codes to make sure that that is realized, they continue, because they are the hope to the young ones that are coming. And yes, Also, you've seen women Proteas have been upgraded. They won. I was there on Sunday, and we are also looking forward to the Cricket World Cup that will be played. We are also playing a vital role to ensure that also becomes a success, because it means a lot to us as the department in the province.